Why did it take 3 days? You brought so many people to picture. I can't bring any stinky beggar back.
With the current strength of the Wu family, in Picture, it's not easy to bring people back now. 3 days for the Wu family is also my time to lay up.
You'll be responsible for this matter.
What are you thinking about?
都没走。
Be careful of being hurt. Sit down. Something to worry about. I know what you're thinking. You can stay there with peace of mind. Recover well. Our Wu family patient has the final say.
Things started because of me. My injury is almost healed. I want to solve this problem with my own method. I won't cause trouble for you.
Don't think too much. This has nothing to do with you. Wu and Jiang have always been rivals. Don't have psychological pressure. Have a good rest. Tell me any need.
私事三分 happened.